Hey crafty friends, welcome back to the ScrapbookPal YouTube channel. I'm Dawn Polly from Deep Polly Designs and I'm so happy you're here with me today. Today I'm creating this super fun summer shaker card using some adorable products from the Pretty Pink Posh. The star of today's project is the Summer Drink Shaker die set. I'll be filling it with the Beach Party Shaker Beats because I absolutely love all of the bright tropical colors in this mix. For my sentiment, I'm using the Happy Summer stamp set with the coordinating dies. And for the background, I'm pairing everything with the Spellbinders nested postage label and tags die set. Before we jump in, I just wanted to mention that I recently had some oral surgery done. If I sound a little different than usual, that's why. I thought I'd be feeling better by the time I edited this video, but recovery is taking a little longer than expected, and I just want to thank you so much for your patience. All right, let's make a card. I started by die cutting all of the pieces from white cardstock. I also cut the fruit rinds from colored cardstock, green for the lime, yellow for the lemon, and orange for the orange slices. I'm also working with my alt new sticky mat, so that keeps all of my pieces stuck onto the mat, which makes it really easy to ink blend with. Here I lightly ink blended the inside of the drink using Distress Oxide Squeezed Lemonade. I only wanted a soft wash of color. I did end up going a little darker than I planned, but I still love the finished look. For the fruit, I used mustard seed on the lemon, and then I used some mowed lawn on the lime, and then I used spiced marmalade on the orange. These colors coordinate really perfectly with the cardstock rinds and really make the fruit kind of pop, which is really nice. For the umbrella, I'm blending the tumbled glass onto two of the panels, and then I'm just leaving the other two white to create like a fun striped design. Now let's work on the background. I die cut the largest nested postage label from white cardstock, and I'm softly blending the tumbled glass ink into the center of the cardstock. I wanted just a hint of blue so that the drink would really kind of stand out onto the paper. I start in the middle of the cardstock and I just work my way in circular motions, and I'm just working my way starting in the middle of the paper, and I work my way outward, and that's it. Now I die cut a piece of acetate using the drink opening die so it fits perfectly behind the shaker window. And now it's time to assemble all of the fun pieces. I glued the umbrella together and I'm alternating the blue and white panels. Now you can either just use the two blue pieces and then leave the two white pieces blank, and so just the blue ones are raised, or you can use all four pieces and alternate the blue and the white and the blue and the white. It's totally up to you. Then I adhere the stick onto the umbrella, and I'm adhering the green rind onto the green lime die cut. And then I'll do the same thing for the lemon. I adhere the yellow rind onto the lemon wedge, and then I'll adhere the orange rind onto the orange slice. These little orange and lemon pieces, they're just so cute. Now for the shaker, I attach the acetate behind the front layer of the cup. I usually avoid liquid glue with acetate because I always seem to get glue where it doesn't belong. But today I decided to risk it. Thankfully, it worked out and I was able to clean up the tiny bit that squeezed out. To create the shaker well, I die cut 5 extra layers and I stacked them together for dimension. If you have thin foam tape, that works just as well. I just couldn't find mine. Once everything was stacked together, I attached the layered frame to the ink blended drink base. And now comes my favorite part, adding the shaker beads. I'm using the Beach Party mix because it pulls everything together, all of the colors from the card. And once I was happy with the amount, I sealed everything up with the acetate front. Isn't that shaker so much fun? I love how freely all of the beads move around. Next, I tucked the umbrella behind the drink and added the orange slice to the rim of the glass. Those little details really bring the drink to life. For the sentiment, I stamped a few greetings from the Happy Summer stamp set in black ink, and then I die cut them with the coordinating dies. After trying a few different options, I decided on the summer sentiment and adhered it vertically along the side of the glass. Then I attached the completed drink along with the lemon and lime slices to my postage background before adhering everything to an A2 sized white card base. And that's going to finish my card for today. I had so much fun making this bright, cheerful summer shaker, and I hope it inspires you to pull out your shaker dies and create one of your own. If you enjoyed today's video, I'd really appreciate it if you'd give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Scrapbook Pal's YouTube channel if you haven't already, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for spending a little crafty time with me today. Until next time, happy crafting.